Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the language in the Canva app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Canva app, and here it opens up in the home menu where we have our projects. From here we have to go into the top left corner, tap on the three lines, then tap on settings, and here in the settings section we tap on your account. And if you scroll down, we find language here. You can tap on this and then select from basically all of the, I presume most of the languages that there are, at least the most well-known ones. Anyways, you can select the language that you speak here, and yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.